Hello, awesome possums. Welcome back. Today I'd like to read to you the story Superstorms by Seymour Simon. Our story genre is informational text. Informational text gives facts about a topic. As you read, look for photos, facts and details about a topic, maps and charts that help explain about the topic. Our target skill with this story will be main idea and details. The topic of an informational text is what the text is about. Main ideas are the most important ideas about the topic. Details tell more about each main idea. You'll use a chart like this to help list main idea and details. Let's begin reading the story Superstorms. As we're reading, let's notice and wonder things on the pages. This will help us later determine main idea and details. The air around us is always changing. We call these changes weather. Storms are sudden, violent changes in weather. Every second, hundreds of thunderstorms are born around the world. Thunderstorms are heavy rain showers. They can drop millions of gallons of water in just 1 minute. Notice, boys and girls, on this page here, all of the things being thrown in the air from this violent storm. I wonder if this is a tornado. I notice on this page big, fluffy, white clouds. I wonder if that's rain coming from the clouds. Wow! On this page, I notice terrific bolts of lightning. During a thunderstorm, lightning bolts can shoot between clouds and the ground. Lightning can destroy a tree or a small house. It can also start fires in forests and grasslands. Thunder is the sound lightning makes as it suddenly heats the air. You can tell how far away lightning is. Count the seconds between the flash of lightning and the sound of thunder. 5 seconds equals 1 mile. I notice on this page white dots, white something all over the road. And I'm noticing here, there looks like jagged pieces of balls or something. I wonder what that is. And I'm noticing on this page a tornado coming from the sky. Hailstones are chunks of ice that are tossed up and down by the winds of some thunderstorms. Hail can be the size of a marble or larger than a baseball. Nearly 5,000 hailstorms strike the United States every year. They can destroy crops and damage buildings and cars. Well, now I know what that is. Those are hailstones. Thunderstorms sometimes give birth to tornadoes. Inside a storm, a funnel-shaped cloud reaches downwards. Winds inside a tornado can spin faster than 300 miles per hour. These winds can lift cars off the ground and rip houses apart. More than 1,000 tornadoes strike the United States each year. Most of them form during spring and summer. Television and radio stations often give early alerts. A tornado watch means that one may strike during the next few hours. A warning means a tornado has been seen by people or on radar. During a tornado warning, you should find shelter in a basement or closet. This is a map, boys and girls, of the United States. And over here, it tells you the number of tornadoes in the United States. So the light yellow means there's less than one every 2 years. Okay. The darker yellow means 1 to 2 a year, 3 to 4 a year, 5 to 6 a year, more than 6 a year. Wow. Look at the areas that have more than 6 a year. And it appears to be all in the middle of the United States. Wonder what this is. Hurricanes are the deadliest storms in the world. They kill more people than all other storms combined. Hurricanes stretch for hundreds of miles. They have winds between 74 and 200 miles per hour. The eye of a hurricane is the quiet center of the storm. Inside the eye, the wind stops blowing, the sun shines, and the sky is blue. But beware, the storm is not over yet. Hurricanes are born over warm ocean waters from early summer to mid-fall. When they finally reach land, their pounding waves wash away beaches, boats, and houses. Their howling winds bend and uproot trees, telephone poles. Their heavy rain causes floods. Blizzards are huge snowstorms. They have winds of at least 35 miles per hour. Usually at least 2 inches of snow fall per hour. Temperatures are at 20 degrees or lower. Falling or blowing snow make it hard to see in a blizzard. No one can prevent storms, but weather reports can predict and warn us when a storm may hit. The more prepared we are, the safer we will be when the next one strikes. Let's dig deeper into the text by using main idea and details. The author of Superstorm wrote about one main topic, superstorms. He included a main idea and detail in each section that explained the topic. The sections were thunderstorms, tornadoes, blizzards, and hurricanes. The main idea is the most important idea in each of the sections. The details tell you more information about the main idea. So let's use main idea to help us better understand one section of the story. The topic of this page is hurricanes. On this page we see 2 paragraphs. We will find 2 main ideas on this page, but each main idea will be about hurricanes. Now, boys and girls, I want to give you a hint, a little help. In kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, sometimes, most of the time, you'll find the main idea of a paragraph in the first sentence of the paragraph. Now, that's not always, but I would always check for the first sentence to see if that's the main idea. So I'm going to mark the first sentence, hurricanes are the deadliest storms in the world, as my main idea. But I'm going to check it. If I'm right, then the other sentences will support that hurricanes are the deadliest storms in the world. The second sentence says they kill more people than any other storm combined. Does that support that hurricanes are the deadliest storms in the world? Absolutely, because they kill people. That means they're deadly. Now I'll go to the next sentence. Hurricanes stretch for hundreds of miles. Does that support that they're deadly? Absolutely, it does. Now let's go to the third sentence. They have winds between 74 and 200 miles per hour. Does that support the main idea that hurricanes are the deadliest storms in the world? It absolutely does, boys and girls, because 200-mile-an-hour winds are very, very deadly. That's the end of our story, boys and girls. I hope you learned something about superstorms, and I hope you learned something about main idea and details. Come back and see me another day. Bye-bye.